Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making homemade ghee from butter. So let's get started. For this batch I am using Kirkland's unsalted sweet cream butter, but any unsalted butter works. Here I am adding all the butter to a heavy bottom pan and letting it melt on low heat. Keeping the heat low helps the butter clarify without burning. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is optional, but I do recommend adding it as it enhances the taste. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of roasted and coarsely grounded dry fenugreek seeds. This is optional too, but it adds beautiful aroma to the ghee. You can make the ghee without adding any flavors or aromatics. It is your choice. Once the butter melts, you will see it starts to foam. This is just the water evaporating. Make sure to keep the heat low. I recommend giving a good stir every 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the milk solids have started to settle down. At this point, let's add a pinch of turmeric. It is optional, but it adds beautiful golden color to the ghee. Now, as you can see, the foam at the top is turning lightly brown. This is the sign you're close. Keep an eye on the milk solids. The milk solids have turned light brown, which means ghee is done. So let's turn off the stove and let it cool down. So even after removing the ghee from the stove, the temperature of the ghee will be still high enough to cook the ghee further. I usually like to stir the ghee constantly to help bring down the temperature. If stirring doesn't help, you can add a tablespoon of curd to cool the ghee. Adding curd instantly brings down the temperature. For beginners, I recommend using a bigger pot because when you add curd to hot ghee, it can sometimes spill over. Just a precaution. The ghee looks perfect. Let's transfer it to a container. From 6 blocks of butter, you usually get around 4 to 5 pounds of ghee, depending on how long you cook it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple homemade recipes. Thank you for watching and enjoy your homemade ghee.